Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in the previous video we discussed about the HPCL recruitment drive. So in this video we'll discuss about the different roles, the open roles, and the application form details, like how to apply for this particular role and the details, everything. So as mentioned, the last date to register for this, it is 25th March 2026. So if you see here, they have so many open positions, the vacancy details, like for both the freshers as well as the experienced graduates. So the junior executive assistant for different branches, different streams, it can be civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical. So all the roles, they also mentioned the salary structure, the vacancies, and the age, as well as the essential qualifications. So you can go through this. So for each and every position they have mentioned the pay scale, vacancies, and so this is for the experienced professionals. So the earlier one, it's for the freshers, entry level, and this one is for the experienced professionals, various open positions which they have. And so you can go through these roles and all. You can only apply for one particular position which you are eligible. And then so like those who has more number of experience, for them also they have mentioned the assistant officer roles and all. So they are also open, and for the senior level. And even the diploma graduates are eligible for this. So in this they also mention which are the streams eligible for this. So mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil, chemical, instrumentation engineering, computer science, as well as the chemical engineering. And for the diploma engineering, so the co-diploma discipline, it can be mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical. And the percentage criteria is that 50%, and 50% in CA or CMA, and minimum 65% marks. So up to 50% is considered. And for the SC or ST or PWBD candidate, so either 55% is needed. So you can go to this job profile. So for the freshers they have mentioned separately, and for the experienced graduates they have mentioned separately. And so this is the application form for this. So first you are supposed to register. So if you are a new register, so if you are a new user, so you can so this is the registration form for the HPCL. So you can click on sign up for new registration if you are a new user. So this is the registration form for that, which is shown. So in that you are supposed to fill your email ID, then the contact number, first name, last name. So you need to verify your email address, and then you'll be getting the password to your respective mail ID. So you can enter the email ID and the password whatever they have sent, and the security code, that is captcha, and you can sign in. And once you sign in, you can view this particular application form. So this is the official link for the HPCL. So here you can go, you can verify. So for each of the roles they have separate application link. So for each and every role, so you can go to these roles, and you just need to click here to apply. And so this is the application form for the same, so which is divided into 7 different steps. So I have selected one to show you how it is. The first is the personal details, then comes the contact details, then the third step is the qualification and the experience details, and the fourth is the training and the internship details, and the fifth is the banking details, and the sixth is the photo and the resume, and lastly you just need to preview and submit the application form. So these are the various steps which are included in the application form. So the first step, it's a personal details. So your name, like the father name, mother name, category, caste as well as the gender, and here the date of birth. So all your personal details you are supposed to fill in this first step, then the remaining details. And here the application fees details. So it has the application fee like based on the category. So we'll see that one. So here you can see the application fees. So the application, online application, it will be accepted only from 25th March till 25th Feb to 25th March. So till 25th March you can submit the application form. So you can apply to the official link of this Hindustan Petroleum. So careers, the link will be provided. So the current opening, so whatever link I shown, so from the same link you are supposed to apply. And so if you have any queries regarding that, you can contact to the official link. So the application fees is applicable. First thing is like for SC, ST and PWBD candidates, the application fee is 0, that is nil. And for the other categories, so which is the non-refundable amount like rupees 1180, that is application fee is 1000 plus 18% GST. So this is the application fee for this, and the payment mode for this. So any online payments are acceptable. So these are the complete details about this particular drive. Then coming to the shortlisting and the selection process. So the first thing, it's a computer based test or the written test, and then second they'll invite you for the group discussion, and third comes the psychometric assessment, then the skill based test, and then there will be a personal or the HR technical interview, and lastly there will be physical fitness efficiency test. So coming to the first thing, that is the computer based test, that is CBT, which is divided into two parts. So the first thing, it's a general aptitude which consists of English language, quantitative aptitude, and the logical reasoning and the data interpretation. Then the second thing, it's a technical discussion. So as mentioned, like it includes complete skills related to your qualification pursued till date, the engineering concepts and all. And they also mentioned tentatively the first round, that's a computer based test which will be scheduled or conducted on 3rd May 2026. Then the shortlisted candidates will be called for the group discussion or the personal interview, and then you'll undergo some psychometric assessments like the pre-employment medical exam. So whether like you are medically fit for this particular role or not, so you have to undergo this pre-employment medical examination, and the service bond for this, it is like for this company it is 3 years. And then comes the physical fitness efficiency test. So you need to clear this physical fitness efficiency test, like which includes the height test, endurance test, and the agility test. And lastly, the placement or the posting. So you will be like you should be willing to work in any of the locations they post. And coming to the probation, so the selected officers, they will be on the probation for 1 year from the date of joining. So upon successful completion of the probation period, so it will be considered for the confirmation. So these are the complete details about the selection process and the recruitment drive for this HPCL. So the link for this, it will be registration link will be provided in the description. So if you have any doubts in applying for this particular like HPCL, if you are facing any problems, you can comment in the description. So watch the video completely and do like the video. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.